Spanish students! Welcome to our Pura Buena Onda YouTube channel. My name is Paola, and today I'll be talking about another use of the imperative, which is for usted and ustedes. Usted is the formal way to refer to tú or you, and ustedes is the way that we use to talk about you all, ustedes. To create this form, you take any regular verb like cantar and you conjugate it into the first personal in the single form, yo. This is yo canto. Then you drop the O and then you add an I for the AR verbs. For example, cante. That's our command for usted. For example, cante el himno nacional. And we do the same for all the verbs that end in ER and IR. The different thing is that we add an A instead of an E. For example, the verb vender. Conjugated, yo vendo, you drop the O, and then you have your command when you add the A. For example, venda. No venda su casa. And that's the good news. We use the same form for all the negative and the positive commands. And to make it into the plural form, talking about ustedes, you all, we use the same structure, but the only different thing is that we add an N at the end of the verb. For example, instead of saying usted cante el himno nacional, we would say ustedes canten el himno nacional. And instead of saying no venda su casa, we would say no vendan su casa. An example of a command for usted would be no cuente su dinero y pague sus cuentas. Don't count your money and pay your bills. And for ustedes would be no vean la película y lean el libro. Don't watch the movie and read the book. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to follow us on our other social media on Instagram and Facebook so you don't miss any of our content. Adiós, nos vemos.